guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa and look what I have. Oh my goodness guys, I was so happy. So my friend Rosie saw my video and she said she was gonna go to the store and I asked her to pick this up. So thank you Rosie for picking this up for me. This is the item, one of the items, if you've watched my previous haul video, part 1 of the video. I thought I picked this up and I didn't, but in case you guys are interested, this is the word punch board, and there's a SKU and the price. So I am going to unbox this with you guys, and here I go. Unboxing this awesomeness. Ooh, let's see what it has. It says here it has 27 pieces, so I'm assuming, geez, wow, look at that. Oh, there you go. And that's it. No more. Okay. Wow. Wow, they really packaged this well, guys. Let's see. Oh, they all look like they snapped together. Uh-oh. I'll just tear it apart. 'Cause I can. Oh my gosh. What is this? It looks like it's hooked together. Oh, and they are hooked together. Oh, okay. And they can hook together. Now the question is, how do you take them apart? It's a little hard. Looks like I have to read the instructions, guys. But let me pull this out, and it looks like these are the punches, and then they're all the alphabets. Oh, this one was easy to pull out. Okay, it just slides in and out. Okay, I'm gonna have to read the instructions on how to do that. And then we have more in here. Looks like the other letters is the actual punch board. And it looks like you slip the letter in. How? I guess this way. Okay, so you slip them in and then you put the word. Oh, I think I got it. So let me just read the instructions a little bit more and let's see what it says. Oh my gosh, look at all these letter punches. I wonder, well, you can pretty much do this individually. See, you can just punch them out individually if you want to, because they are actual letter punches. Okay, let's read the instructions. Instruction number 1, place desired characters into base. If the word has a repeated letter, leave punch space in it. So let me take it up to you guys. So that's what it says right there. And then the second part, second instruction, insert paper and align to edge. And then the third, it says punch by pressing down on lid of base. And then remove paper. And then place repeated letter onto the correct punch space. Insert paper and align to edge. Punch again. Okay, so it doesn't say how to unlock them. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to learn to do it. It's a little difficult to unlock them because it's like there's really stuck there. Ah, okay. I was pulling down. I'm supposed to pull up. That's what the problem was, guys. Goo. Okay. Jeez Louise and crackers. I noticed if this is on this side, you pull this up and this the one on the left down. But obviously if it's on the other way, it's push the one on the right down. There you go. I do like this idea of having them attached to each other like this. I said, see how many punches can fit on this base. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 spaces, and so there's practically 10 punches you can put here. So let me think of a word. I don't want to have anything that repeats. Let's play with sparkle. S is right there, so I guess I align S over there. And then let's find, there's the E, there's the K, there's the P. I am looking for A and I can't find it. Hold on. There's the R, there's the L, and now we're looking for the A. There's the A. So let me move this over. Okay, so let me move this on the side. I have a black cardstock here that I cut into 4 by 6. So let me do it this way. So it says push it in. And I'm going to try and center this as best I can. So this is as far as it goes. And I'm eyeballing it on this ends. And then press down. Ooh. Okay. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, guys, it worked. Oh my goodness. Can you, I don't know if you can see, but here. It sparkles. Can you see it? It's really cool. Anyway, the only thing I didn't like about it earlier was looking for the letters. And I guess because my background is the same color as the punch board and the keys, it was a little too difficult for me to find it. But guys, I like it. And then the best part is you take this out and you have, so this is the negative, right? Because we pushed it out. This is the negative. Now we have sparkle over there. So we could use those two. I love it. I love that we was able to do this. I don't know if I want to be able to press on each letter and stuff like that. But do I like this? Yes, I do. I do love it. So guys, this is the word punch. This is the word punch board. And I think it's worth the price. So yay! Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, please subscribe. We want to grow my Scrappiness family. And yeah, that's it. Enjoy your summer, guys. Catch you later. Bye.